All inventions start out as ideas. Most are ideas that help solve a problem or make our everyday lives better. In the 18 and 1900s, and continuing to today, lots of inventions are created to make our household chores easier, especially doing laundry. People throughout time have always found ways to wash their clothes, even without electric washing machines and indoor plumbing. You could do your wash at a river or use water from wells. To do laundry in the 1700s, you would need some tools to help you. A large wash kettle or copper was used to soak clothing in hot soapy water. Wash tubs would be used to do any additional cleaning or scrubbing with an agitator. Lots of people would hire a laundress who might come to your home and do a grand wash. She didn't make very much money, and as you can see, the work was very hard. Another way to clean clothing was to use a tool called a battledore or laundry bat. This would force water through the weave of the fabric, carrying dirt with it. You would then rinse the clothing to remove the soap. To keep white clothing white, you might lay it out in the grass to bleach in the sun. In the 1800s, the invention of the washboard made the process a little easier. You wouldn't need to use a battledore. Around the middle of the 1800s, lots of inventions to help save time and energy doing household work like laundry started to be manufactured and sold. Inventions like the Success washing machine. The Success was invented by Stephen Morgan Smith, who was a Moravian minister. The Success was powered by a crank. When the crank was turned, the agitators inside moved back and forth, sloshing the water through the clothes. Similarly to the battledore, it would force water through the weave and carry the dirt out with it. It was just a much gentler process. S. Morgan Smith's washing machine was a success. It also helped him form other ideas of inventions and innovations that he could create that would make life better. Early electric washing machines like this one would do the washing for you, but you would need to wring the water out of your clothing and then hang it to dry. Today, the process is simple. Add laundry, add soap, and turn on. All because lots of people have had lots of ideas over time about how to make this an easier process. Look around your home. What problems could you solve or improve?